last night was amazing. No, channel. This year until never want to get. My God. She have to go send 10 more man for kill me, you know. Something good, man, you know. Love it.
Okay.
I know you can't leave me out, you know. It's a beautiful man. It look like I'm gonna go and drop asleep too. See.
What was in that liquor? It was very strong.
No, never in that liquor, man. I want to you. See, man. You know, me, I'll get up and go hold a shower. See me, you can go hold a shower too. You look nice in my shirt, you know?
Thank you.
I'll get some food on the road and come back in. See me. Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket net. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I said make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the harder the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter.
Radical. We no come here for no drama. We no come here for no fuss. We come to squash this thing between you and Tyson.
Okay.
Roger Tosh. New beginning. Whoa, yeah. Look at my shirt, the dirty 2 pounds, not even new shoes.
Step up. You have a sweetie?
We want sweetie for.
I can't stand this place. I feel like I would want to vomit. Step up. Look on my house, sir. Then my house like a good breeze blow. Everything just tumble down flat. I them a type of life a man if you really want to come live.
Radical, welcome to the ghetto. Tyson!
That sound like Uncle Steph.
Tyson!
Stepper.
Monique!
What you doing here?
Aunt Radical, what you doing here? You think I'm a child?
Me know, you know.
Radical, calm down, man. Me tell you how come I have to deal with.
Stepper, don't tell me to calm down. Not tell me to calm down, man.
Monique, later here.
Alright, Uncle Stepper.
Aye, boy. Me tell you now, you see. Welcome again! How are you in there?
There, man.
Long time,
Yeah.
girl, you know? Long time.
Long time.
Put on all way to them.
Yeah, so you go.
By the children, man, you know, by the children.
Tyson.
So my girl, Mr. Tyson, him now.
Yeah, good man. The boyfriend get uptown.
Girl, from what they may tell Indians, they go to one Tyson, because I know say nothing no good about him, you know.
Not no good about him.
Nothing no good about him, girl. Him just want to have Indian follow back him like say, some little flyer or something. I know.
But the boyfriend knows him and I let him go to time. You're mad.
Girl, if you come on my car, where they not tell her about look who eat that boy in there, because him not go on good bars. But you know my style already. But now I go complain and I don't know it go. But say the boy not bring nothing on the table.
Hello.
He just run back a Tyson so like, you know, when they had train for Olympics, and them style him the pan. I can't bother girl.
So the one Tyson, him not have money, but him have this. I mean, now let go down to
Your style, that's how you go on. I love that the boy the say, no?
Oh,
I love when you sip on him, you love
For
so.
me.
Me can't say the same about that.
Know them way there.
Talking this and talking that, my love. But here's the uptown girl auntie send man to come kill her Tyson. Nobody say me. Well on man. Nobody go say me say no. I whole heap of things you know but.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, my love, right? That's right there.
Did I say she that kill my good man and me no know?
Well, you know now.
Pash, me go left the ends there, you know. You see the old man there, me go call her and me go this her.
But understand my friend, you can tell you know me feel like I don't look about the way I take her mother.
Then she can't stop that.
Well, I go dark up a place, my friend. If not, you call me, because you know some have your back right through, good girl. Do it. Beat girl.
Yeah. It never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. We in the fall, but one man won't stop, you know.
Blood, step up.
Claim your
We are say dog blood.
There, no, my general.
But you do something for me, you know.
Yeah, man, anything, man.
You see my wife, she a try kill Tyson, my son, you know. Why you watch over every move he make, that even breeze must touch him.
Yeah, I'm gonna say another word in the father.
Alright, son.
Anything you say a lie.
Yes, man. Remember, say I'm me response to the law, you know, and you are the law.
Alright, my boss.
Now make it worth your while, you know. Now go wire some money to you in the morning.
Yeah, man, no, you're talking, father, man. No, you're talking. You want to say a word? No,
No, say a word, man. Later, man. Alright.
Yes! At the right time I come, oh, you want for I kill my baby?
If you ever know my technical strike right now, you never better say nothing to me.
I'll bust up your head. You think me not hear everything?
How are you, man?
I mean him, Babs. How you?
I mean him stepper.
And I mean him, Pepper. Lift up out of this.
Lift up out of this.
That me say.
Hey. Me tell you for leave this alone now. I won't leave it alone. Right now I'm mannequin in the house. You're number stop play.
You better know your number 3 shot up here now. Money! Come on, come face your judgment, girl! Come out of my house!
This is what tries to bring me down here for? This bitch is flinging stones. I don't think I'm gonna come back here to Tyson.
Yo. Now Steppers guessing. Full ready. Enough bad prayer pray. Me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boat without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, me not have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like me and nails. Rips couldn't be buy people, now me can't trust. So me put a 30 belly in my Taurus. Stay to myself, grass cut. I never left my shoes, it's like a glass broke. Jungle jaw breaks, my head crab up. Can't stop me now, me just a warm up. Heaven never make for me, all me do I grind me life. Fight for fight, search and couldn't find the light. Never know haggle vibes, born with a mighty vice. Them a gonna hear me right now, and my time to shine. Set me free, I'm out the nights me cry. Puff pan a spliff, I'm out to fly me fly. Far from perfect, I'm out of time me slide. When me need them never they by my side. Stereotype, and the place where me come from, no matter how me dress them.
Bad him, John. You want a piece of food too, brother?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. Liar. Beat me morning, bro. I tell them, grandfather Jack up. Rich, you know.
Jaja.
And when they show me see a girl, I say, stop hard because. But then I go on for you. You see me? Yeah, my bad brother. You know, you can't even go back in, I make sure you say. Yeah, good to have a piece of food. You see me?
That is it, my brother, man.
I want to go to finish in our place, man. You see me? I left fire through in the dog, but you don't know. Money no. You don't have to left fire. Should be in your pocket. You see me? Only for money that you have. Level up.
Yo, Crabbo. Yo, dog, I'm there upon one apps in the dog. See a boy when named Tyson with a bag of money in the dog. You know, say, yo, I joke if I go the boy and take the whole of that in the dog. Yo, say, me know the boy live, dog. I know everything, brother. I easy food, brother. Yeah, man, I easy food.
No, sir, I don't have no money for waste for them something, the girl. They're crazy. I mean, if you go use that buy clothes, I may have me one black and cement to finish my house. That must be mad, you man. What? Hello. Well, I'm the Christmas, soon call you one.
Yeah, go on.
What could I cause? Hello, let me go. Hello, let go for my man. You're going like me, your friend. Me is no friend. Me have a move strong. I gym every day when you're not there.
Watch out. Money better.
Jesus. My baby. Oh my Lord, come here, my baby. There goes so far. I saw that she did nice. She ain't really not look bad for true, babes.
You know, say babes, I tell you, say bingo do and give me a piece of food, though.
Tyson, you're Tyson?
Yeah, man.
Well, him not so bad as me think.
I'm real G, that man.
Yeah, I realize that a good boy after
Sexy body man. Dear money. Looking like a tiger, you know. I like your skirt.
Thank you.
See me looking beautiful, but I'm gonna eat some dinner still. See me? You like to get it?
It's okay so far.
Finally get some body sweetie. Finally get to get some body sweetie. I'll eat some dinner still, you know?
Okay.
Worth it, you know?
Let's go.
Like stress for your auntie, stress me out. Worth it, me.
Wow, big things are going for you, my youth.
How do you hear it?
Yeah. Yeah.
I doubt this, you know.
Yeah, me get to realize it.
I'm not saying about
Wow.
My deal with the things still, you see me? Thanks for your message, though, you know?
Alright.
Really a spiritual man.
Yeah, because I know I force the things, you know.
I know I never have hurt her still, because you know, say I'm a little sister mother. Well, mother-in-law then, or stepmother, I should say, because I'm a father, wife.
Okay.
But woman try to take me out, send a man to come kill me, you know?
Well, you hear me? I take action, you know. You have to protect the eye, because nobody not gonna do it like you're gonna do it.
So I go on, anything you see, just come tell me, man.
Alright.
Pull back, I go on, I look at it with my baby still, you know?
Alright, right. Fully good, yes, sir.
Fully. Big up yourself, yeah?
Relax, pre-mens. Do this for my own, I'm in the sleep yet. From them show me them color, me no need them. Cut them off fast, I'm a reflex. Reset, start over again, I still a lead them. Foundation solid and no weak fence. Now, you can't get two chance to cross me. Me no in a no with crosses. Me throw away my heart in the garbage. Girl come over for the fucking half you want me. You can't get two chance to cross me. Me no in a no with crosses. Try to show love but me can't do it. That's why me treat people like dog shit. Yeah. Me no see them at all, now go give them a call. Me never group up when me see them attack. Ungrateful people, not even give them a smile. Put yourself first, can't give them your heart. Future look good, not even see them a pass. Poppy champagne, not even give them a clap. Bigger levels at the pre, couldn't meet them a class.
Welcome to Chicken and Tings. How may I take your order?
Oh, you have on the menu.
Okay, we have barbecue fried chicken, we have fried chicken, we have roasted fish, that's the beach fish.
Why if you fish, you don't eat fish, but I don't know. I can't afford that. Same bro, yeah.
Alright.
What you have on? Barbecue fried?
Yeah. We have pumpkin soup too.
Let's go with what if I soup, man. Let's go there. Let's go king.
So any juice in there?
What a fried chicken. See? The barbecue fried.
Okay, the cashier is going to catch you right here. I'm going to set up your table here so you can have your lunch.
What are the guys so far? A good restaurant coming out of uptown Confronting. Bring out to uptown restaurant, you know? Top quality food you leave. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Shoshana.
Nice to meet you here.
Thank you, and we're here, you know, sell chicken and things that we running from.
Oh.
Great Jamaican place.
Oh.
Yes, so you come to the right place.
Wow. What's that?
When's that person constantly peeping on you?
Dine, are you the sir?
Yeah, he's been out there for a time.
It was going to look like the down blood. I think you're going to kill more than you. But say, I think you're going to kill me. Where my father? Oh, that's what I'm doing. We need to see about one. Full of you, man. Give me a second. Yo, dog blood. See you, man.
Nice, sir.
Nice. Don't you follow me up, sir? How go on?
Up there, bro.
Forward, man. Forward.
Yo, Ty, so yeah,
no, bro. Oh, you have to watch me. Yo, I'm going to see you through the window, bro. You have to watch me, sir. How go on?
Man, I'm here one Ty, so man, I pass, and I see I'm looking for you, me see, man. I'm here, Ty, so.
Dog blood. Just that style, you know.
That's cool, man.
Yo, make sure that you come off of me again in the dog blood. By the time I go beat time, brother. You know, think the Bible.
Yo, I couldn't do that, my brother, man. I couldn't do that. You're fucking.
Alright, dog blood. Big up yourself.
Yo, I say a word, my general, man.
Yo. Boy, dog blood, you know. I see him, and looking for me, but can't do something, you know. Tell us that I put on the gun here, now I live in the bottom of the game. I'm going to go and kill me. That understand.
Right?
That's amazing.
You Jamaican. Yes?
God, that's the thing. Bring food, Musula, please.
What kind of juice?
Bring a thing to me, you know what I mean? Bring food. I want the food that we know. What's it? No, man, you're a food, you know. Come on, man, I'm trying to think with you, man. You're hot girl. One day. Chicken and things, you know? Up on the line.
Okay, we don't have any ice doing it.
No, we don't need ice.
Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Thank you. So compare, thank you.
Okay, and I want you guys to come back again and bring back the young lady.
I'll leave you, I'm going to live in there. I'm not going on there. You're going to live in there.
No, man. What's that? How about that stuff? You're not getting it. How about that stuff? No, man. I'm full of young yet.
Yo, You're not ruin this. You're not ruin this.
Then you can't
Yo, you too much problem. Come on. Come on, people. Come on, people. Come on, people. Spicy one.
Rasta man, you know see some in dig your flavor.
Data, you see the man we are run down, now run with you.
Then you see some here run left you.
Well, me sprint off of you.
Sprint. You know see say slower, blood.
Boy,
That daughter you have to ban bad. One thing though, I see me in she and at the same time leave the water bottom. It rotten. But one day she can feel my bottom.
Yo. Come get this. Yeah.
Are you being serious?
Come here, man. What you You know what I say? Come let bar. You want some kind of meeting. And then they get wild. If you play me,
This is crazy.
yeah, play me too.
And I don't think I'm going to keep up with you.
You have to keep up with it. Don't do it too. Remember we're going last night? You have to keep up.
Be serious for once in your life.
It's not hard for you to keep up. Because you have to keep up here, but I want you to like me, I'm like you. You're going to show you everything. I told him 2 hours today. What first meet I got here? That was a jazz moment, man. Really, 2 hours there, I come to the hear that. That's for you. That's it. If you enjoy with me, no man found nice dinner. Alright, shit, I want to have. Keep her all the night. I apologize again, darling. You know what you're going to do?
Yo, what go on, baby? What you mean you're there? You know, say you're forward. You know, say if you bring the pussy, come give me. Forget some me at the Dine place. No, you're wrong, put my badness in there.
Yo, what one?
There, no more.
Yo, big fellas. But then, John was star. You want to place in place like my beer trouble here. You see me?
So what him do?
You know, the boy coming up place from China. Violent me. Pull out a gun for me. You see me? You don't know me not take that.
So what you want me to do? Remember you're a politician, innit? You have money, innit?
Yo, remember, you know, money is no problem when it come to me. Just when you deal with the thing, get the dog and dirt him.
That's a word, man.
Don't know.
Madans, we have work, innit? Don't feel me, innit?
Oh boy. How them boy are rampant, man? Come go draw a little money and boy grab the bag. And boy in the wood are rampant. Yo, Ricky Chin. Yeah man, Tyson. Yeah, what go on the brother? Violation go on a while ago, I walk past the place and a boy grab my bag, you know, with money and run, you know. So guess what I need it for the now? I need it for go in your business place, see it? Yeah man, and get the footage. You see me, and send me the footage off your camera, because I never have a camera out there, you know, brother. I want to see what really I go on, I want to see where the boy runs go. Bro, you hear that? 5 minutes time, I need it now. See me? I don't really want to dark up a place, don't it? Alright. Boy, you can better hurry up and send me that footage, you know. Calm father to the car.
Hello.
Yo, Stepper.
What go on, my son?
Boy, I look like your son will go back at jail, you know. Because I'm going to kill somebody, you know. Yeah, man, the boy them dust rap my brother. The boy grab my bag and run in the brother. You see me? I have over 200,000 to make a dollar bag in the brother. You see me?
What really are going?
So here I go on to my father. Just look out for your call back for me, because them have a footage and I'm going to run it because I want to see who will grab my bag. I told the boy grab the bag fast. I never have a glimpse of who better.
Get the footage and call me back.
So I'll call her back in a minute, my father. Alright.
Steph, darling.
What, baby?
What there?
Message coming in. Boy, Ricky Chin, alright. Load up that video. So wait there. Boy, when you go to the car, so the boy dog blood this. So a dog blood send man for rob me. Pumbuckler. I have to go kill a boy. Alright, cool. Call up my father, you know.
Man really rob me son, man. I was really a gone. I'll see my call back here. Hello?
Yo, Stepper. Here what go on, my father. My dark, you know. Alright, now me I pray you, your woman, and everybody, you know, brother. See, come just see the footage. And a dark blood send man come rob me, come see him collect the money from the man, in the brother.
Dark blood?
Where you say? Where you say?
You know me tell you boy if you watch it, so nothing happen to you.
Yo, where dark blood come from, brother? Dark blood live, brother.
Easy no man. Dark blood a police, you know. You can't touch him.
Oh, so dark blood a police. Oh. You can't tell me I can't touch him, you know. Here what go on now? You have to link up with me. And anyway, dark blood, they may find him. Because I need the money and I need him life, Stepper.
No, it not fi go so far, man. Me and you are circling, because you have to get back your money.
Father, come off on my phone, too, brother. Come off on my phone.
Go on, darling.
My day, you for tell me what go on.
You know, say boy dog blood betray me.
Say I know dog blood a thief long time. When do?
I tell the boy if you watch over my son and the boy rap my son, you know.
Why am I tired for talk to you? What you want me to do? Tell me.
Me I drive go pick up my son, you know. Remember you have a #1 strike kind of pebbles.
More sweet like.
Something can't go on. Remember you have a #1 sweetheart and you keep me happy.
So where you want for go on, Stepper? Be honest.
Go pick up my son.
Alright, come.
Must be mad. A second place ago.
Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater.